Hey, quiz lovers! Welcome back to Quick Quiz! Only true football fans can guess all 100 players. Think you're one of them? Let's find out! Don't forget to subscribe to Quick Quiz and challenge your friends with your final score. Can you guess this football player? This player is Cristiano Ronaldo. Do you know who this is? Say hello to Lionel Messi! Can you name this superstar? The name is Kylian Mbappé! Great job! Keep going! Who is this football legend? Time's up! It's Neymar Jr.! Take a guess. Who is this? Here we go! It's Erling Haaland! Brilliant! Let's continue. Can you identify this player? The mystery player is Kevin De Bruyne! Fantastic! Do you recognize this footballer? It's none other than Robert Lewandowski! Correct! Let's keep going. Who's hiding behind this photo? The answer is revealed. It's Mohamed Salah! Impressive! Next one up. Can you spot who this is? Meet Vinicius Jr. This one is Luka Modric! Outstanding! Who do you think this is? The correct name is Karim Benzema! Can you name this football star? And it turns out to be Harry Kane! Let's keep going. Next player. Time to test your knowledge. Who is this? Here's the reveal. Virgil van Dijk! Awesome! Let's move to the next one. Do you know this player's name? The player you're thinking of is Sadio Mane! Excellent! Next player. Can you guess who's on screen? It's time to reveal. Jude Bellingham! Who is this mystery player? The answer, as promised, is Bukayo Saka! Well done! Here's the next one. Can you crack this one? This football star is Son Heung-min! Name this football icon. Let's reveal it. It's Thibaut Courtois! Who's this rising star? The correct answer is Sergio Ramos! Correct! Let's keep going. Can you figure out who this is? And the answer is Zlatan Ibrahimovic!
Can you guess this football player?
Here's who it is!
Antoine Griezmann! Do you know who this is? Drum roll. It's Paul Pogba! Outstanding! Next player coming up. Can you name this superstar? You guessed it! It's Toni Kroos! Superb! Moving on. Who is this football legend? The answer you're looking for is Casemiro! Take a guess. Who is this? Ready? It's Joshua Kimmich! Can you identify this player? This player is Marc-Andre Ter Stegen. Excellent. Next player. Do you recognize this footballer? Say hello to Alisson Becker. Who's hiding behind this photo? The name is Bruno Fernandes. Well done. Can you spot who this is? Time's up. It's Phil Foden. Guess this player before time runs out. Here we go. It's Jack Grealish. Fantastic. On to the next player.
Who do you think this is? The mystery player is Declan Rice. Correct. Let's keep going. Can you name this football star? It's none other than Rodri. Impressive. Next one up. Time to test your knowledge. Who is this? Federico Valverde. Amazing. Let's continue. Do you know this player's name? Pedri. Can you guess who's on screen? This one is Xavi. Superb. Moving on. Who is this mystery player? The correct name is Frankie de Jong. Can you crack this one? And it turns out to be Ilkay Gundogan. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Name this football icon. Here's the reveal. Marcus Rashford. Excellent. Next player. Who's this rising star? The player you were thinking of is Raheem Sterling. Can you figure out who this is? It's time to reveal Riyad Mahrez. Can you guess this football player? N'Golo Kante. Brilliant! Let's continue. Do you know who this is? Sergio Busquets. Fantastic! On to the next player. Can you name this superstar? Gerard Piqué. Correct! Let's keep going. Who is this football legend? Thiago Silva. Impressive! Next one up. Take a guess. Who is this? Marquinhos. Amazing! Let's continue. Can you identify this player? David Alaba. Do you recognize this footballer? Manuel Neuer! Superb! Moving on. Who's hiding behind this photo? You guessed it, it's Jan Oblak! Let's keep going. Next player. Can you spot who this is? The answer you're looking for is Ederson! Awesome! Let's move to the next one. Guess this player before time runs out. Ready? It's Dusan Vlahovic! Excellent! Next player. Who do you think this is? This player is Victor Osimhen! Great job! Keep going. Can you name this football star? Say hello to Rafael Leao! Well done! Here's the next one. Time to test your knowledge. Who is this? The name is Kvicha Kvaratskhelia.
Brilliant! Let's continue. Do you know this player's name? Time's up! It's Julian Alvarez! Fantastic! On to the next player. Can you guess who's on screen? Here we go! It's Lautaro Martinez! Correct! Let's keep going. Who is this mystery player? The mystery player is Christian Pulisic! Impressive! Next one up. Can you crack this one? It's none other than Weston McKennie! Amazing! Let's continue. Name this football icon. The answer is revealed. It's Achraf Hakimi. Outstanding. Next player coming up. Who's this rising star? Meet Trent Alexander-Arnold. Superb. Moving on. Can you figure out who this is? This one is Andrew Robertson. Let's keep going. Next player. Can you guess this football player? The correct name is Marco Verratti. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Do you know who this is? And it turns out to be Leon Goretzka. Excellent. Next player. Can you name this superstar? Here's the reveal. Antonio Rudiger. Great job. Keep going. Who is this football legend? The player you're thinking of is Milan Skriniar. Well done. Here's the next one. Take a guess. Who is this? It's time to reveal Theo Hernandez. Brilliant. Let's continue. Can you identify this player? The answer, as promised, is Nicolo Barella. Fantastic. On to the next player. Do you recognize this footballer? This football star is Federico Chiesa. Correct. Let's keep going. Who's hiding behind this photo? Let's reveal it. It's Domenico Berardi. Impressive. Next one up. Can you spot who this is? The correct answer is Bernardo Silva. Amazing. Let's continue. Guess this player before time runs out? And the answer is Ruben Dias. Outstanding. Next player coming up. Who do you think this is? Here's who it is. João Cancelo. Superb. Moving on. Can you name this football star? Drumroll. It's William Saliba. Let's keep going. Next player. Time to test your knowledge. Who is this? You guessed it. It's Aurelian Chouameni. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Do you know this player's name? The answer you're looking for is Eduardo Camavinga. Excellent. Next player. Can you guess who's on screen? Ready? It's Randall Kolo-Muani. Great job. Keep going. Who is this mystery player? This player is Ousmane Dembele. Well done. Here's the next one. Can you crack this one? Say hello to Moises Caicedo. Brilliant. Let's continue. Name this football icon. The name is Enzo Fernandez. Fantastic. On to the next player. Who's this rising star? Time's up. It's Alexis McAllister. Correct. Let's keep going. Can you figure out who this is? Here we go. It's Martin Odegaard. Impressive! Next one up. Can you guess this football player? The mystery player is Xherdan Shaqiri. Amazing! Let's continue. Do you know who this is? It's none other than Granit Xhaka. Outstanding! Next player coming up. Can you name this superstar? The answer is revealed. It's Piotr Zielinski. Superb! Moving on. Who is this football legend? Meet Dominic Soboslai. Let's keep going. Next player. Take a guess. Who is this? This one is Alexander Isak. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Can you identify this player? The correct name is Victor Gyökeres. Excellent. Next player. Do you recognize this footballer? And it turns out to be Brian Mbeumo. Great job. Keep going. Who's hiding behind this photo? Here's the reveal. Ivan Toney. Well done. Here's the next one. Can you spot who this is? The player you're thinking of is João Felix. Brilliant. Let's continue. Guess this player before time runs out. It's time to reveal.
Goncalo Ramos! Fantastic! On to the next player. Who do you think this is? The answer, as promised, is Rasmus Højlund. Correct! Let's keep going. Can you name this football star? This football star is Kingsley Coman. Impressive! Next one up. Time to test your knowledge. Who is this? Let's reveal it. It's Serge Gnabry. Amazing! Let's continue. Do you know this player's name? The correct answer is Leroy Sané. Outstanding! Next player coming up. Can you guess who's on screen? And the answer is Jamal Musiala. Superb! Moving on. Who is this mystery player? Here's who it is. Florian Wirtz. Let's keep going. Next player. Can you crack this one? Drum roll. It's Xavi Simons. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Name this football icon. You guessed it. It's Warren Zaire-Emery. Excellent. Next player. Who's this rising star? The answer you're looking for is Lamine Yamal. Great job! Keep going. Can you figure out who this is? Ready? It's Endrick. Well done! You made it to the end.
How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and see how you compare with other football fans. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Quick Quiz, and challenge a friend. See you in the next quiz!